I've asked ChatGPT what are the best invoicing apps for Swiss freelancers, and having received a complete list, I asked what are really the 3 best we can look at, and I received these 3 options, and so today we're gonna look at EzyInvoice. So I arrived on EzyInvoice login page. I must say it's not exactly intuitive, but we can make it out. I will log in with Google. Here I arrived on the welcome page. I'm asked to enter some information. We'll just do a test. There we are, and we can continue. Let's maybe add a phone number, as well as an email address and a website. For this exercise, let's assume we are registered for VAT. So we'll just add some fake VAT number. And in terms of footer, we can just put please pay within 30 days. And let's add logo. So the logo is added and I can click on finish. Now here arrived on the EzyInvoice page. And now I can create a new invoice. I'm going to create a new client, client name, John, currency Swiss, and the rest is fine. I'm going to add an item, website development. Let's say this was 5,000, and the VAT rate. So here we have one challenge with it, which is that the VAT rates are not accurate anymore. Those are VAT rates from a year ago, and that's a pretty big deal. And I cannot change this for now. Hopefully there is something in the settings. But now we're ready. Here's how the invoice looks. Looks okay, logo is here, name is here. I'm not really impressed by the invoice. And the QR code is missing. That's definitely a big deal. Yeah, that's a huge deal as well. So that's not gonna work. Maybe there are settings. Can I save this somewhere? Save it. Let's go to the dashboard, explore a little bit client list. Okay, settings. Okay, so I found a field to add QR invoices, but they require a QR IBAN, which is different from a normal IBAN. So this is a bit more annoying to find, but it is an option. I don't have a QR IBAN with me. So I just found a test QR IBAN, and so I will just activate using that. And now I want to go back to the invoice just to see how it looks. And I need to add some information to the client before. Okay. And I think it did not save. So I must say I'm already quite with this app. You can tell it has not been maintained. It's clunky, annoying to use. I'm not even able to just save. Client, what's going on? Download QR code, my God. Yeah, okay. Well, we'll assume it somehow works. Otherwise, we can create some tasks. So there's some basic features here. Let's go test client, make design, and there's a timer. Okay, so there's some basic task management. So I can say, okay, this took me 3 seconds. Let's just say it took a bit longer than that. There we are. So that was a big task. And we save that. And then invoice task. Yeah, and then it just puts the name and the hours. So it's not, that useful. Payments. So in general, and finally, if we have a look at the pricing, it's definitely cheaper than most other options, which is good. You can tell that the app hasn't been maintained recently. It's complicated to use. It's not very user-friendly. It's only a web app. You can't use it on your phone. Obviously, it has many features, but for example, it doesn't have the most recent VAT rates. So that's just a no-go for this year, unfortunately. But maybe if they do an update, this might be worth having a look again at next year.